Okay, this is an introduction for lab number 6, which is Newton's third law. And what we're going to do is we're going to pop open a simulation and take a look at two balls. And what we're going to do is we're going to call the action force being the force of the blue ball on the red ball. And something that we know from Newton's third law is that for every action force is going to be equal but opposite reaction. Equal means the magnitude is the same. Opposite means in opposite directions. And you're going to see that when you pop open the simulation. It's pretty straightforward, so I'm not going to do that one for you. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come down to a collision lab, and there's going to be some balls that are colliding. Keep in mind that we know Newton's third law says that the force of ball 1 on ball 2 has got to be the same as the force of ball 2 on ball 1. Just equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. Now, I popped open a window here, and you can kind of see that it is a Flash one, and Flash can be kind of finicky depending on the computer that you're on. You may need to try multiple browsers or a different computer. And what we can kind of do is we can just let these balls collide. And what I want you to kind of realize is what's going on here is that the force of the red ball on the green ball is the same as the force of the green ball on the red one, just opposite in direction. So after messing around with the simulation, I have you change some of the masses around and talk about Newton's second laws and third laws. I have you repeat the experiment with equal masses and just how does that change around with things. And last, I have you go to this website right here. And what that's going to do is that's going to just pop open this guy. So read your way through it. Think about action forces and reaction forces, and I have some questions that I want you to try to answer on your own before you click the C answer. Then we're going to go to the next section, just get a little bit of practice identifying action forces and reaction forces. So pretty straightforward.